Welcome student in the lecture series of digital system design. Today we discuss about the binary code. Now remember that thing, the electronics digital system use the signal to distinct the value. Suppose I have one digital circuit. In digital circuit, whatever the input means the signal which is provided to this device, digital device, it is called as the inputs, and the circuit operates according to the functionality and generate the output. So remember that thing, the electronics digital system design use the signal, whatever this, it is known as the input signals. And whatever the input values given according to the output generated, which is known as the output signals. So like as in computer, the keyboard is the input. If I press whatever the alphanumeric code, the CPU process it, and on monitor we can see the ABCD form. So if I press the keyboard key, it generates some signals, digital signals, and provide to computer, digital computer. And digital computer again generate the some signal which is given to the monitor, and monitor display the alphanumeric code. But whatever this communication, it is in terms of digital signal. So every digital system use the signals, and these signals have a two distinct value. Every digital signal have two distinct value. Let's see how the digital signals look like. As the digital signals look like, as suppose my input is this. Okay, suppose the example, a signal A. So only two value 1 and value 2. It might be two levels are only there. Remember that thing. Okay. So any digital signals have a two distinct value. The circuit elements that have a two stable stage. Two stable stage means only two stable value are possible. Value 1, it is known as a high or voltage low. So this is low level L, and the second possible value is high value H. So only two values are possible, H or L, with respect to time. A stable stage of any digital circuit elements or a digital signal. So according to it, which number system have a only two value? Here the question is arise, which number system have only two value? Why we are asked this question? Because during the mathematical operation to design any circuit, we have to use the number system. Which number system is useful to design digital circuit? It depends on the combination of possible at input state and output stable state. Here we've seen that in digital signal have a two distinct value, low and high voltage. So we know that the binary signal, binary number system have only two value possible, 0 and 1. So we can make the analogy between the digital signal and binary number. There is some relation, we can make it analogy. So we can compare. At every time we are not able to draw the graph of signal and then understood the graph, and then we design the circuit. If a small circuit is it possible, but for the large circuit, a number of elements at that time not possible. So remember that thing, the binary number is useful or very important because binary have a two value, 0 and 1. Digital signal have a two value, high value and low, voltage high and voltage low. So a binary number of n digits. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 number of inputs are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 number of outputs are possible. So we can say that n digit equal to n binary number, binary digits. N digit signals, we can make analogy between the n binary digit number system. Suppose I say that I have a 3 output, so all 3 outputs may be indicated 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Now see, suppose this is the output number 1, O1. So O1 have a two value, 0 and 1, 2 combination. O2 have a 0 and 1, 2 combination. O3 have a 2 value combination, 0 and 1. So at a time, might be all 3 are 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. In this way, output combinations are possible. So remember that thing, the digital system represent and manipulated not only binary number but also many other discrete elements of information. Any discrete element of information distinct among the group of quantities. Here the group of 3 quantities are there. So group of quantities can be spectrum. Remember that thing. A letter A. Suppose I have an alphabetic order. Letter A. Letter A is represented in any binary distinct value. It may be 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. This is equivalent to the alphanumeric A code, which we will discuss the later on. Now in binary code, as we discussed the every electrical digital system design, the signal have a two distinct value, might be the voltage low or voltage high level. Okay, this is the equivalency graph of digital signal. Normally a 0 volt is represent logic low and plus 5 volt is represent logic high. Whatever, the voltage might be changed according to the application, but the only two distinct value. So we can make it analogy between the digital signal and binary number system, because the binary number system have a two value possible, 0 and 1, while here two distinct value of digital signal is there, logic low and high. So low is represented by 0 and high is represented by 1. Here the big thing is that the defined bit, a bit. So bit is a binary digit. Remember that thing. A single digit is represented by a binary digit bit form. When use the conjunction with a binary code, it is better to think that the denoting binary quantity equal to 0 and 1. Remember that thing, as we discussed, that suppose there is a n group of distinct element in binary code, n group of distinct signal. If I want to represent this digital circuit n group of distinct signal, so it is represented by minimum of n bits or n binary digits. So this is because the possible arrangement, n bit, how many combinations are possible? 2 raised to n different distinct values are possible. Remember that thing. Suppose the quantity, it's a combination of bit. If I have a digital signal XY, so XY means a two signal. So n equal to 2. So as per the definition, n bit is represent 2 raised to n distinct value. So that means 2 raised to 2, 4 values are possible. Which 4 value? So x and y may be 0, 0, both are low. X is low and y is high. X is high and y is low, while both are high. In digital form, we can say that x is low and y is also low. In second combination, we can say that the x signal is low and y signal is high. It might be possible that x is high and y is low. And the 1 1 means both the digital signal are high. So remember that thing, the n digital signal, here x and y 2. So 2 raised to n combinations, distinct values are possible in binary as well as in form of digital distinct value. Suppose my circuit, digital circuit, have 3 inputs combination. So what I will do, 3 inputs, so I will take x is a one input value, y is a second one, and third is z is that. So we just consider x, y and z. These are the 3 input of digital circuit. Now how many combinations are possible? So it is, as per the definition, 2 raised to 3 distinct values are there. So 2 raised to 3, and every 2 raised to 3 is equal to 8 combination. Total 8 combinations are there. Let's see. Suppose in form of digital voltage value and in form of binary value. All are 0, 0, 0. So that means the signal is low. L stands for low voltage and H stands for high voltage. Okay, this is the high voltage and this is the low voltage. So at fixed time, all 3 are low. It is represented by binary 0, 0, 0. Second value is possible 0, 0, 1. Means x and y both are low, but z is equal to high. Third combination is 0, 1, 0. X and z both are low and y is high. 0, 1, 1 means only x is low, remaining all 2 inputs are high voltage. 1, 0, 0. So x is equal to high voltage and y and z both are low voltage. 1, 0, 1. So means 1 means x is high, 0 means y is low, and z1 is high voltage. 1, 1, 0. So first 2 signal x and y are high, while the z signal is a low voltage. And 1, 1, 1. So all 3 its input signals are high voltage. So how many combinations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 2 raised to 3 is equal to 8 combinations are possible if the 3-bit code is that. This shows that the distinct bit combinations of n bit code can be found by counting from the binary 0 to 2 raised to n minus 1. See, the 0, 0, 0 equal to 0. 0, 0, 1 is 1, 2, equivalent to decimal 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So that means the n bit, general definition is that n bit given the combination 2 raised to n combination, that means the total 8 different combinations are there, and the value, equivalent value in decimal is 0 to 2 raised to n minus 1. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 raised to n is 8 minus 1, 7. So this is the some bit combination are unassigned, and when the number of the element of the group to be coded not a multiple of the power of 2. The 10 decimal digit 0 to 19, an example are such a group. Sometimes it might be possible that we want only less than 2 raised to n minus 1 combinations. So at that time, the few combinations are not used. It is known as unused state or unused digital elements in given digital circuit. Such group, a binary bits can be distinguished minimum 8 element. A 4 bit, suppose there is a 4 bit, if I will use the x, w, x, y, z. So how many combinations are possible? In w, x, y, z, these are the 4 elements. So 2 raised to 4, 16 combinations will be there. 16 combinations will be present there, 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 15 equivalent decimal value. So 4 bit can be 16 distinct combination, but here the one thing is that we want to only convert whatever the decimal single digit into the binary form.